Hi guys, we're going to be looking at stem and leaf plot today. So how do we create a stem and leaf plot? First of all, we need to understand what a stem and leaf plot looks like. So let's take a look over here. A stem and leaf plot is basically, it looks like a T-chart, but it's created from a stem and a leaf. The stem is the first section on the left, and it's the highest place value. So I'll show you right now in a little bit what does this really look like. Then the leaf is the other place values for that number. For example, if the smallest number is 11 and the biggest number is 70 in your example that you're doing, you would set it up so that the place value that we're going to start with is going to be 1 because we're starting with the tens, and it needs to go all the way to the 70, so it's going to be to 7. And I went ahead and labeled my tens place and my ones place. And I'm going to put into this stem and leaf plot the data that was given to me. Okay, so if we take a look at our first example, they gave us a table with this information given to me. It was the miles per hour of different animals, and they gave me the numbers. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take these numbers and I'm going to plug them in to my table. So for example, the first animal is antelope, and he has 61. So I'm going to put a 6, and I'm going to go ahead and put a 1, because that is my stem is 6, my leaf is 1. That makes 61. So on your paper, we're going to go ahead and do the same. So we're going to do 61. And then we have, let's look if we have any other 60s on our data. It looks like I don't have any other 60s, so I would leave it like that. I'm going to go ahead and look at the ones. In the ones place, I have the pig, which is 11, the squirrel, and the turkey. So to set that up, I'm going to put 1 and then 1, since it's 11, and then 1 and 2, and 1 and 5. Then for 20, I look through here and see if I have any 20s, and I have only 1, 2 20s, 28 for the man and the elephant, and 25 for the elephant. So I'm going to put 28 and 20, sorry, that should be in order. So 25 for the man and 28 for the elephant. Then I look for 30s. I have the cat, that's 30, the giraffe, 32, bear, that's 30, the white deer, that's 30, the rabbit, and the regular deer. So if I put that in order, it'll be the cat, 30, the bear, 30, the white deer, 30, the rabbit, 32, and then the deer, regular deer, 35. Then I look at my data and I see in the 40s I have the elk, 45, the coyote, which is 43, the gray fox, which is 42, the zebra is 40, hyena is 40, the horse is 48. So the smallest number I had was 40. So to put this into my stem and leaf, I'm going to go to my 4s, and I'm going to go ahead and put 40. There's 2 40s, so I'm going to put 2 zeros. The next one I have is 42, so I'm going to put a 2. Then I have 43, so I'm going to put a 3. Then I have 45, so I put a 5. And, 48, so I have an 8. So all we're doing, guys, again, is we're taking the stem is your tens place, the ones is your leaf, so that's why we're doing this here. So we already did 60s, let's look at 70. 70s, I have the cheetah, which is 70, and that's it. So for 7, the tens place for my stem is 7, and my ones place is 0. And there is my stem and leaf plot. That's how I would create one.